We have arrived at the big white tent. This is the area that has the RV show, and so we're gonna go take a look. Getting in here, this is opening morning still. I usually like to come in the afternoons, but we're here early and it is a circus. So we're gonna check things out a little bit closer. This is the main entrance getting into the tent from this side, and we are on the west side, and there is our friend over there, the porta potty. So we're headed there first before we get inside. So this is David with Tigner Adventures, my wife Ninette, and our little cat Tansy. We live full-time in our RV, and we are currently at the big white tent here, RV show. And as you can see, there's a lot of people here. If you look here, there's 3 entrances going in. There's the middle and the 2 sides. We're actually going to go in the left side to start with and just work our way around the tent. So like any home show, it's different booths, and in this case it's just under a big tent. But it's just like going to a regular home show. There's just a little bit more orientation towards RVing here.
But did you see the owner?
No, I didn't.
Because your daughter knew. That's why you bought it.
Yes.
Around the outside area of the tent, they have a lot of exhibits, but they also have a lot of places that you can eat. The food is pretty good, and the price really isn't too bad. All right, so we are on the outside area of the parking lot, and they have Redlands truck and RV. You can buy your Michelin tires here. They will install them. Shocks, sway bars, things like that onto your rig here. So that's what they're working on, and that's Redlands. And then over here we got Blue Ox and we got Roadmaster. So if you want to flat tow your vehicle, this is the area they'll actually install those for you, and they'll also work on them or recondition the ones that you have. All right, so that is a quick look for the first day. We are actually at the Roadmaster tent. I just made an appointment. I'm gonna bring my hitch in tomorrow morning, and they will double check it, make sure everything's good with it. And that's one of the nice things I like about coming up here is each year I just double check it, take it in. They replace the bushings, they just recondition it to make sure that it's working good and there's not something that's gonna cause me problems down the road as I'm towing. So anyway, that completes the little thing going on today. So we've seen the some of what the big tent has to offer. We're actually gonna go into a lot more detail over the next few days. I did see a couple lithium battery individuals in there. I've talked to them a little bit, but I wanted to actually interview and talk to some of them and just kind of see, you know, compare what I'm looking at for that to what they're offering. So one thing I did want to mention is that last year we actually did a walk through the tent. So if you actually look at this video here, you can actually see walking through the whole tent. This year I just did the little spotlights here and there because basically it's the same people that are here, and you know, it's just different places. And then you get a few newbies, and that's what we're kind of looking for today. And so we're going to kind of go through that. We'll highlight that as we go throughout the week. So that completes our tour of the big tent today. And so at this point, that'll just end our video, and we'll catch you tomorrow as we'll probably check into our batteries tomorrow. So anyway, stay tuned for tomorrow. That ends the video for today. So hopefully we'll see you somewhere around Quartzsite. We have ran into several friends here at the tent, so that's been a lot of fun. And but if not, then we'll see you on our next video. So take care.